Unlock the secret to slashing your Shopify shipping costs and boosting your profits without sacrificing customer satisfaction. For any successful Shopify store owner, mastering shipping costs is non-negotiable today. We're diving deep into actionable strategies to find the cheapest shipping for your business. First, let's leverage Shopify's built-in power. Navigate to your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Shipping and Delivery. Here, you can directly compare rates from major carriers like USPS, UPS, FedEx, and Canada Post, all in real time. Don't just pick the first one you see. Strategically select the most cost-effective option for each order based on its destination, weight, and desired delivery speed. You'll also see options for flat rates and free shipping thresholds, giving you flexibility. Want even deeper savings? For higher volume sellers, direct negotiation with carriers can unlock significant discounts. Reach out to your account managers, present your shipping data, and explore volume-based pricing or negotiated rates. Even a small percentage off can make a big difference. Beyond carrier rates, think about your packaging. Optimizing your packaging is crucial. Use the smallest possible boxes or mailers that still safely protect your products. Lighter and smaller packages translate directly to lower shipping costs. Always weigh and measure your packages accurately. Incorrect dimensions or weights can lead to unexpected surcharges from carriers, eating into your profits. Now, let's talk about expanding your toolkit. Third-party shipping apps often provide access to even more competitive rates and streamlined workflows. Explore the Shopify App Store for integrated solutions that can connect you to a wider network of carriers and offer advanced features. Finally, offer your customers choices, presenting a range of shipping options from the cheapest standard to faster, albeit more expensive, choices. Empowers them to select what best suits their needs and budget. Clearly communicate the costs and delivery times for each option. By implementing these strategies, from carrier comparison and negotiation to smart packaging and app utilization, you can drastically reduce your Shopify shipping expenses, improve your profit margins, and gain a significant competitive edge. Happy shipping!